Alright, guys, little 2018 Panini Origins action. Love me some Origins this time of year. Let's go ahead and refresh the current eBay time. It's Friday, February 1st, 2019. It's 11:40 p.m. Eastern Time, 8:40 p.m. Pacific Time. I got Vin with 1, Jason L1, Mike V5, Jeff F5, Glenn B5, Jeff F5, Vin D2, Rosbell 2, Dirty Dog 2, and Lucky with 4. Good luck, guys. 5 times, ram.org. And then we'll paste in column B, and that's a team you'll have for the Origins break. Hot teams: Buffalo, Chargers, Browns, Giants. A lot of hot teams, man. 2018 football products have skyrocketed. They were very in demand. I went and tried to buy limited today. Completely out. Jeff Cardinals, Mike Falcons, Jeff Ravens. Hold on. Jeff F Cardinals, Mike V Falcons, Jeff F Ravens, Jason L Bills, Jeff F Panthers Bears, Glenn B Bengals Browns, Lucky Cowboys, Rosbell Broncos, Jeff F Lions, Mike V Packers, Jeff F Texans, Mike V Colts, Lucky Jags, Jeff Folk Chiefs, Dirty Dog Rams, Rosbell Dolphins, Glenn Vikings, Lucky Patriots, Vin D Saints, Jeff F Giants, Vin D Jets, Glenn Raiders, Lucky Eagles, Michael Vivian Steelers Chargers, Glenn Niners, Vin Seahawks, Dirty Dog Bucks, and Jeff Folk Titans Redskins. Alright, if anybody wants to make any trades, let me know now. I gotta wash my hands, guys. Put my hand sanitizer. Alright, what's the finalized trade? Ravens for... Where's Mike V? For Mike V's teams. Okay. Okay. Alright, guys. Here we go. Origins. Jay Ajayi base. Nice. Tom Brady at 99. Tom Brady at 99. Patty Mahomes at a 299. Patrick Mahomes. First card is a Mark Walton on-card auto for the Bengals. Nice, sick. 66 out of 99. Calvin Ridley, big old patch there. Nice. Nice Calvin Ridley. Cortland Sutton, jumbo swatch there for the Broncos. And a Gronk base. Alright guys, let's see where these bad boys are going. Let's sleeve them up real quick. That's the name of the game, huh? And he really is. I've been pulling a lot of him lately. Alright guys, there's the cards. Let's see where they're going. Alright, Gronk base. Lucky. Denver Broncos, Rosbell. Atlanta Falcons, Jeff Folk. Got the hockey photo working. Cincinnati Bengals, Glenn Bowers. Patty Mahomes, Jeff. New England Patriots, nice Tom Brady insert, Lucky. And then Jay Ajayi base, Lucky as well. This last four were tough. Alright guys, there you have that. Column C, 5 times, ram.org. Jeff's guaranteed a bonus break spot into a mini helmet. Let's see if anybody else can get it on top. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Jeff Folk, there you go, man. Got yourself a spot into the bonus break. Alright guys, there you have it. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to ask. Please subscribe down below. Turn on notifications. We go live 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every night. We have free bonus giveaways in every break. And check out the social media down below, guys. Alright, next up, we have some black gold working. So stay tuned for that. Let's get it.